Welcome everyone, and you know what time it is. It's time for your assignment when it comes to tuples. That's right. Let's jump in, take a look at what we're going to be doing together for an assignment on tuples as part of our reviewing of tuples. That's right. So here you go. Here is your assignment. 3 tasks. Number 1, you're going to ask the user to enter their first name, and that needs to be a string, their age, that needs to be an integer, and their city, which needs to be a string. You're going to store the information in a tuple named person, and you're going to print each value from the tuple using indexing. Okay, so one of the things that I would recommend you do here, just like with any type of an IT certification task, I would read very carefully and think about this exercise very carefully. For instance, does it matter what we call the first name variable? For instance, we're getting a first name from the user. Does that have to be first name one word, first underscore name? Well, they didn't say, so that doesn't matter. But does the tuple need to have a certain name? Yes, indeed. It needs to be named person. So when we are analyzing tasks, be sure to look very closely and always think about, okay, what are the true requirements here and what would they be grading for? The mysterious they, I'm just saying, whatever certification we're taking, someone's going to be in charge of that and someone's going to be grading it, and we need to really think about those requirements. Okay, well, have fun with this tuples assignment. And of course, as you know, I'll be back to review my sample solution with you in the next video.